Can you hear how crispy these crackers are? Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's make the Lebanese garlic dip first. All you need is 1 cup of garlic, 60 ml or 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 cups of oil. You can use any vegetable oil here, but I prefer using oils that have a neutral flavor. In a food processor, pulse the garlic until it becomes a smooth paste. Add a teaspoon of salt. The salt helps in breaking down the garlic, and of course it's there to season our dip. The key to a smooth dip here is grinding your garlic as much as possible before adding any oil. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. I come up with new videos twice a week. Now we'll add a tablespoon of lemon juice, which helps in making a smooth paste. We'll drizzle in half a cup of oil while the food processor is still on. Once that is emulsified, add another tablespoon of lemon juice, followed by half a cup of oil. Keep alternating between 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half cup of oil until all our oil is in the food processor. We're starting to get there as our dip is still a bit runny, but you can see that it is becoming fluffy because of the oil. You'll see that all of the oil is emulsified and we've made a smooth garlicky sauce similar to the traditional mayonnaise. Now you can also season it with chilli flakes, basil or other herbs. I like to add half a cup of sugar in mine so it goes really well with the cheese crackers, but that's up to you. Now let's make the crackers. I'm using spring roll pastry sheets for the crackers, also known as Phyllo sheets. These are easily available in the frozen section of your nearby grocery store. These are frozen, so you'll have to thaw them overnight in the fridge or on the counter. Take out 10 pastry sheets out of the packet and make sure to put the packet back in the freezer. These sheets tend to dry out, so while they're at room temperature, keep them covered with a damp cloth. On to the recipe. Take a baking sheet lined with parchment and greased with butter. Assemble a single layer of the pastry sheets. Brush generously with melted butter. Put another layer of pastry sheets, lather with butter, and repeat the same with the third layer. Using a ruler and a sharp knife, cut the crackers into squares. Sprinkle on some grated cheese, some sesame seeds, and some chilli flakes to heat things up. Here you can add your favorite herbs and spices to make your own version. Now bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until the crackers get a beautiful golden color. Just listen to that. These things turn out really crispy and delicate. This recipe is perfect for festivals and special occasions because it just takes 10 minutes to whip up the crackers and the dip.